Well, hello guys, welcome back. We have some fun things to unbox today. This is too far. That's a little too far. Okay guys, I have a little luxury haul for you today. I'm so excited. I cannot explain to you how excited I am for one of these boxes because the other two I actually opened and repacked because I wanted to do like a proper unboxing with you guys. I just had to do like a sneak peek. So I'm gonna show you this one first. You know, I was feeling so down on myself because of my injury. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you might not know, but I have been literally bedbound, like staying at home for almost 2 weeks straight. I could only go outside for like short walks with my dogs and that's it. So I was losing my mind and I was doing a lot of work, but I also did a lot of shopping. And I wanted to show you guys what I ordered. So first things first, I got a pair of sunglasses. I needed a new pair of sunglasses. You know how much I love all of my affordable sunglasses. If you have not watched one of my last videos where I give you guys like all my affordable recommendations, I'm gonna put it somewhere on the screen because it's a good one. I gave like a lot of really good recs, and like I said, I love all of my affordable sunnies. I wear them all the time, but I really wanted to get like a new designer pair. I am a little bit like scared and worried if those really affordable sunglasses have enough like UV protection and if they're like good enough, especially here in Florida. In Miami, it's so important because we have so much sunshine and it's really bright outside. So I really wanted to get like a nice pair of sunglasses, and I wanted a trendy pair of sunglasses. So, you know, I am still on the train of like smaller sunglasses, even though I see more and more those like massive, ginormous early 2000s sunglasses coming back. We'll see how quickly they come back. I might get a pair. We'll see. I don't know. I usually say like I'm not going to, and I usually say like, oh, I don't really like that trend. And then of course I see it everywhere. It's all over. Everyone starts wearing it, and then I kind of start liking it. So this time I'm gonna learn from my mistakes, and I'm not going to say anything, and we'll see what I end up buying in the near future. So I got this stunning pair, like I am seriously obsessed. I know you're not the only one. I also hate when people say they're obsessed, but what can we do? Sometimes we get obsessed over things, and like, look at these. Aren't these like the most flattering, beautiful little oval sunglasses? So I went in the store and I tried the Miu Miu ones, and they're just like a little too small for my face. Like not just like the lenses, but like here, they're not like wide enough. So the handles would like have to stretch out like this. And these are perfect. You see how like wide they are. So they're still like super minimal, super 90s inspired, but the actual frame is not tiny. And also I think somehow, well, no, not that I think, I know, I asked ChatGPT, I don't know if that's correct, like, but it said that like the distance between the lenses is a little bit wider on these. So if you have a very narrow face, go get those. But if you have more like oval or wider face, then maybe try these. I love them and they're so good. Honestly, I feel like they also feel a lot more substantial because I tried the Miu Miu ones. Like, I don't know, these feel more like sturdy. And I love the color. The color is so pretty. Like the lenses are so good. And the color is like very nice, deep turquoise color. Tortoise shell. So yeah, these are my new sunnies. I'm going to link them because I found them on Farfetch for a really good price. If they're sold out on that link, I'm going to leave like the backup links, just FYI. All right, now we have two equally exciting bigger purchases here. And I think I'm gonna start with this one in the cardboard box because it's maybe slightly less exciting. Like I said, I opened this one and I took a sneak peek, but I did not like examine it. I didn't like, you know, go in depth. I wanted to like put it back and do a proper first impression with you guys. So yeah, next up we have a box from Prada, and It looks like it's a pair of shoes based on the size of the box, but it's not. I don't know what this is, but there's like a little pouch, like a little spare dust bag with like a little Prada thingy. Cute. I love this color, and I also love everything that comes from Prada. It's just like, it's one of my favorite brands, and I completely forgot about it. And honestly, I didn't shop at Prada for a while. And now that I was on the website looking for this item and like browsing, I was like, there are so many nice things right now in the current collection. And yeah, I just love the brand. It's like so Italian, it's so chic, it's so minimal, but it's very like trendy and high fashion and futuristic. Just love Prada logo. It's like one of the prettiest ones in my opinion. Also, you see what I was saying, like how the entity of the brand is a little bit different. Like they don't do a ribbon, they do like this elastic band, and it also has Prada here. So, you know, it all like ties in with the aesthetic of the brand. Without further ado, you guessed it, it's a bag. And the bag in question, ta-da! Oh my God. And this is the cutie. Oh my God, I love it, you guys. I am obsessed. I love it. I love the re-edition line, and I think they're all so cute. But when I saw this one, I wasn't actually looking into the re-edition. I was just like browsing the website, and I wanted like a new fun handbag. I was actually looking into this handbag here, but then you'll see what I got next and it will all make sense. So yeah, I was comparing different things, and then I saw this cutie, and I love the like very beautiful leather on the side. So it has like this leather side, and then this is all mesh and see-through, which I love. If I would put this one and other like 3 bags in front of my sister and ask her like which one I would choose, I think she would have picked this one. I think she would probably be the only person that would guess that I would choose this bag over like the others. But yeah, so excited. Let's just open it up and take out the stuffing paper. I mean, it's definitely like clear and mesh, but it's not like completely transparent. So it's not like super obvious what you have in your bag, but I just love a good like slightly sheer clear bag. It's like such an aesthetic for me. I am obsessed. Let's see how it feels on or like under. It's a little shorter strap, I think, than my other re-edition bag. I think the one with the chain is like a little bit longer than the leather strap. But for me personally, it's still good enough. I mean, I can still carry it like on the shoulder. Also, I feel like because it's mesh, it's a little more like spring summer appropriate, even though it's a black bag. And I love that it's like almost sporty as well, because the hardware, like the Prada logo, is silver. So I really like that. I think it's going to look so cool with like a little more sporty outfits, like when you want to dress up and make like a sporty outfit a little more chic. So yeah, I'm so excited. I feel like I need to get a pair of like thong sandals that have like a little platform, like very 2000s style. I think I need those for this bag because we need to complete the aesthetic with the small sunglasses and like this bag. Oh, I'm so in love with this bag. Okay, so that's first. Now moving on. I'm so excited. Oh, I cannot wait to open this cutie. We have a ribbon as per usual. I went to pick this one up at the store, so there was an option to get it like delivered to my home, but I don't know, like I already had the Prada one delivered, and somehow like whenever I order something like more expensive, I am just like nervous whenever like I'm waiting for the package. I'm always like checking if it was delivered, if like, you know, they signed for it, if they took it downstairs. at the receiving area and whatnot. Like, I don't know, it just like gives me a little bit of anxiety. Yeah, I think you guys understood. I am trying to keep it a secret, but like, I think you guys understood that this is also another handbag. This one is in the iconic yellow Fendi box, which is not comparable to the Prada one. Honestly, that one is so much nicer, but who cares about the box? Yes. Oh my God, it's so small. Like the little dust bag. It's so small because it is a small bag, but it's not like too small. You'll see. Ta-da! Oh my God, look at this cutie. Oh, I'm obsessed. Oh my God, this is so cute. Oh, I love it. I always wanted a little mini Fendi baguette. I think it's mini. I think it's called the mini baguette. I think my next one is going to be one of the sequins ones. I tried one on yesterday at the boutique and it's so cute and so pretty and so nice for like going out for the evening. But it's just like the colorway. It's not like my favorite, so I'm gonna wait and see if they come up with something else. Also, they have like the solid colored ones, like the purple, green. I think that's it. And yeah, I was just like, I'm not like a super big fan of those colors. If it was like another color, I would have probably gotten that one. But when I saw this on the website, like I was saying, I was thinking about that blue Prada bag. So I had like a bunch of tabs open and I was like going back and forth which one I wanted. And I decided to go for the Fendi mini baguette because it's a lot more dressy in my opinion, even though this is denim. This is not leather, this is denim. This is a blue denim bag. I always wanted a denim bag. I wrote to my essay from Neiman Marcus at Chanel and I was hoping they had something in denim. The Prada one was on the top of my list. And then I saw this fabric, the denim, like the color of this denim is absolutely stunning. It has no compartments, which I love. So it's just like one big, oh yeah, we also have a chain in here. Let's take out all the paper. You can see it's just like one big opening and then it has like a cards slot here in the back. And I think it's actually like such a cute size. You can carry it crossbody. It's not like awkward and big. And then obviously it has this little top handle that you can carry like in the crook of your arm. And the essay told me, of course, you can always like double up the chain and carry it on the shoulder. Oh my God, so in love with this cutie. It's like adorable. I'm gonna put back like the little stuffing. You guys, I am obsessed. Look at this color and the big like Fendi clasp. And this is what I was saying, how it looks like so cute also crossbody because it's not too big and like awkward. And I really like the chain. I like also this option because who doesn't like to be hands-free? I am so happy with my purchases. It's like a little bit different style, but like they're actually so cute. And I am so happy that I went for this blue one. I feel I can carry this one in the evening easily. It's like so much more dressy because of the chain, because of the like, just like the clasp and like the logo and like the shape of the bag in general. It's a lot more evening appropriate, whereas that Prada one is for me a little too casual. And yeah, then this one is, it is what it is. It's just like a different vibe, completely different style of the bag, but I am so into it. Can you ladies stay upright so I can showcase you for the end of the video? All right, you guys, that was it. That was my little luxury designer shopping haul. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. I'm so happy with my purchases and I cannot wait to wear them. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I am going to link everything as per usual and I will see you all in the next one.